with news that's just coming in. The Indian External Affairs Ministry has summoned Pakistan's chargé d'affaires in New Delhi today to strongly protest the abduction of 2 Indian officers in Islamabad. Pakistan, on the contrary, is saying that Indian officials have been taken to the police station in a hit-and-run case. India has strongly protested the abduction of those 2 Indian officers in Islamabad. It's a matter that has been taken up very strongly. And now the Indian External Affairs Ministry has summoned Pakistan's chargé d'affaires in New Delhi to strongly register a protest against the abduction of the 2 Indian officers. Meanwhile, Pakistan claims that the Indian officials have only been taken to the police station in a hit-and-run case. And joining us for more on that is our principal diplomatic correspondent, Siddhant Sibal. Siddhant, what more do we know at this point through our Indian sources?
Well, this was something that was expected to happen given the fact that after India was able to nab 2 Pakistani High Commission officials on 31st of May, red-handed here in Delhi, trying to source classified information. Pakistan wanted to do a tit-for-tat. We know just 4 years ago in 2016, what happened when India had expelled a Pakistani High Commission official. The Pakistanis had expelled an Indian High Commission official in just 2 days. This time around, they could not find any reason, and that is why they were indulging in harassment of Indian diplomats. We know that India's top diplomat, the Deputy High Commissioner in Pakistan, Gaurav Ahluwalia, was tailed around when he used to go to various markets. And then, of course, there were reports of how other Indian diplomats were harassed in Islamabad. And now this has come. Of course, we know that the Pakistani media is now claiming and running source-based information that when it comes to these 2 Indian officials, they were involved in hit-and-run case. But we know that this kind of propaganda is on expected lines by Islamabad, given the fact that it was trying to level the score when it comes to the entire situation. And that is why the 2 Indian officials went missing. In fact, India just sort of a short while ago has summoned in Pakistan's top diplomat here in Delhi and has demarched him and strongly protested about the situation of the Indian diplomats in Islamabad, how they are being handled. And of course, 2 Indian officials who were missing. Of course, now the Pakistani media claiming that they have been found. But by and large, when it comes to India-Pakistan relationship, they have always been in strain. But the fact that these developments are only going to put further strain in this relationship, which is already in downward spiral ever since the Pulwama terror attack, which was done by Pakistan-based terrorist groups. And thereafter, we saw India also taking a strong action when it comes to terrorist groups based in Pakistan. Thereafter, we know that India tried to have collaboration, especially when it comes to the COVID crisis, but there hasn't been any positive response by Islamabad.
Absolutely. Stay on with me, Siddhant. Also joining us on the broadcast this minute is our Pakistan Bureau Chief, Anas Malik. Anas, if you can elaborate for our viewers, what Pakistan is claiming at this point? All right, we'll just try and reconnect that line with Anas. Siddhant, at the moment, what we do know is that Pakistan is claiming that these officials were only taken to the police station in a hit-and-run case, but very sketchy details on that front. What's the reaction been from the Indian side to that claim?
Well, India had already taken the matter both in Islamabad and here in Delhi. And of course, we know that India has formally summoned the Pakistani Deputy High Commissioner here. So strong reaction coming from Delhi over developments coming from Islamabad over the handling of Indian officials and diplomats in Pakistan. And of course, we know that India had already earlier this month sent 2 note mobiles to the Pakistani High Commission and of course the Pakistani Foreign Ministry over the harassment.
Right. Right. We'll just try and elaborate for our viewers in just a bit what the Pakistan side has also been claiming on that front. Pakistan at the moment is saying that the Indian officials have been taken to the police station in a hit-and-run case. India has categorically registered a strong protest on the matter and has now summoned the charged affairs as well. We'll keep a close eye on those developments coming in through our correspondents. But moving on for now to the latest coming in from China. Remember, it is emerging